Hey, thank you so much. This is my brother's teacher. We're at the Farm Day event with families of color. And one of the things we're really trying to do is make sure that children of color have the opportunity to interact with other kids of color and have resources to really have fun. So today we're actually at Nurturing Roots, who we partner with in Beacon Hill, who is actually a BIPOC-owned farm. And we think it's really important that we make sure that our other community members understand that we at the University of Washington, my brother's teacher, really want to be in the community and a part of the community as we do this together. And really understanding that my brother's teacher, the program, really recruiting young black and brown males. So as you saw, a lot of our fellows today are interacting with the children here because that's what our whole purpose is. It just that one interaction could change a child's life. So by having an event here where it's free of charge and providing lunches as they're handing out right now and making vinegars and having fun with the chicken and digging up worms, it's just another way that we're connected to the community. And having been a teacher for 10 years, it's like feeling really great because it's like I'm back in an outdoor classroom and I'm back in front of kids again, which is what I love to do.